Hey guys, today we're going to be doing Saxon lesson 52, the Floss Rule. I want you guys to take a look at these words. What do you notice that's alike in all of these words? Do you see that they all have a twin consonant? All at the end, they all have a final twin consonant sound. They also, because the vowel is followed by a consonant, they all have a short vowel sound, like in off, stuff, shell, boss. They all have a short vowel sound. Something else that makes them alike are that they are all one-syllable words. One syllable. Why? Because they only have one vowel. Like in stuff, sniff, doll. They all have one syllable. And they are all root words. Good. The new spelling rule we'll learn today is called the Floss Rule. Taking a look at this word, floss, who can tell me what is similar to this word as the other words that we just looked at? Good. It has twin consonants in the final position. It has a short vowel. Let's count the syllables. Ready? Floss has one syllable and it's a root word. Good. We're going to learn a new rule today that explains how to spell words like these. Now, I'm going to show you the floss rule. Take a look at the floss rule. It says, when a one-syllable root word has a short vowel sound followed by the sound f, u, s, it is usually spelled with twin consonant F's, twin consonant L's, or twin consonant S's. So when you hear that f, u, s at the end of these words, it is spelled with a twin consonant, like in the word cuff, doll, boss. So this is our floss rule for spelling. Good job. We call words that follow this rule floss words. The trick is learning to recognize floss words. So let's practice. I'll say a word and then I want you to tell me if you think if it is a floss word or not. I'll write it on the board and we'll check it. Okay, here's the first word. Class. Is class a floss word? Class. Let's take a look. Here is the word class. Is class a floss word? It has two S's at the end, twin consonant S's. It has a short vowel sound, class. And it is a root word. And how many syllables does it have? Let's see. Class. 1. Good. So is this a floss word? Yes. What about the word fluff? Is fluff a floss word? Fluff. Let's take a look. How do you know? Because it ends with the f, and there's two F's at the end. F. There is a short vowel sound in fluff. Fluff. How many syllables does it have? Let's see. Fluff. Good job. And is it a root word? Yes. Good. So is fluff a floss word? Yes, it is. Good job. You guys are amazing. Ooh, I have another one for you. How about the word goal? Gull, like a seagull, gull. Let's take a look. How do you know if it is a floss word? Good. It ends with two L's. Oh, it ends with that O sound that is two L's. There is a short vowel sound. It is one syllable and it is a root word. Good. So is gull a floss word? Yes. Good job. Okay. Now, is the word cat a floss word? Cat. Is cat a floss word? Okay, let's take a look. Cat. Is it a floss word? It has a short vowel sound. It is one syllable. It is a root word. Does it end with the s, o, or f? No. So is this a floss word? No, it is not. Good eye. You guys are awesome. Okay, so some words sound like floss words, like the next one, but they don't follow the floss rule. So let's take a look at an example. We're going to take a look at the word bus. Bus. Okay. Here's the word bus. It has a short vowel sound in it. It ends with a s sound. It has one syllable and it is a root word, except does it have twin S's? No, it does not. So it is not a floss word. So based on what we've learned, this word should be spelled with two S's, but it's spelled with only one. Words like bus are known as irregular spelling words. Does anyone know what I mean by irregular spelling words? An irregular spelling word is a word that doesn't follow the spelling rules that we've been learning. So remember that the word floss helps us to remember this rule because it is a one-syllable root word with a short vowel, and it also contains the three letters that double at the end of floss words, which are F, L, and S. Floss. But whatever you do, don't tell your older brothers or sisters about this rule. They will think you're too smart. So I'd like you to go ahead and get your worksheet number 52 out. Go ahead and get out worksheet number 52. Now, once you have your worksheet out, pause if you need more time, but put a line through numbers 1 through 13. Put a line through numbers 1 through 13. You should only see a big box with pictures and numbers 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's all you should see. Okay, at the top of your worksheet, it actually has our floss rule on it. Okay? It says when a one-syllable root word ends with the letter F, L, or S after a short vowel, it is usually spelled with a double F, double L, or double S. Ready? So, I want you to put your finger next to number 14. What is that a picture of? Look at the picture on number 14. What is it? You're right. It's a shell. Shell. So go ahead and spell the word shell, remembering our floss rule we learned today. Sh-e-l, shell. Go ahead and write that down. Shell. Okay, now put your finger next to number 15. Pause if you needed more time, but put your finger next to number 15 if you are ready. Take a look at that picture. What is that a picture of? It's a picture of a dress. Girls like to wear a dress sometimes. Dress. Remember our floss rule. Pause if you need more time. Otherwise, go ahead and put your finger next to number 16. Number 16. Who can tell me what that is a picture of? Let's see. What's it a picture of? A frog? A frog? Does that follow our floss rule? No. So go ahead and write the word frog. All right. Pause if you need more time. Otherwise, go ahead and put your finger next to number 17. Number 17. What is that a picture of? You're right. It looks like a cup, but it's not that. We're going to spell the word glass. Glass. Sometimes moms like to drink their water out of a glass. Glass. Remember the floss rule. Glass. What do you hear at the end of that word? S. So what should there be? Double what? S. Okay. Pause if you need more time. Otherwise, put your finger next to number 18. Number 18. Ooh, do you see this picture? It's kind of tricky. It's pointing to the bottom of the pants. Sometimes on pants, your parents roll them up and it creates a cuff. Cuff. Spell the word cuff and remember our floss rule. Cuff. Pause if you need more time. Otherwise, go ahead and put your finger next to number 19. Number 19. The word is bell. Oh my goodness, you knew by the picture. I didn't even have to tell you. You know that's a picture of a bell. What do you hear? Listen for the floss rule. What do you hear? Bell. Pause if you need more time. Otherwise, you're all done for today. High five, you guys are awesome. I'll see you later. Bye.